Power through everyday mess without feeling overwhelmed by stubborn spills or dusty corners. The best cordless vacuum cleaner for wet and dry cleaning brings effortless freshness into your home, turning stressful chores into quick, satisfying moments. Imagine walking across spotless floors that feel inviting after every cleanup, creating a comforting atmosphere your family will love. Lightweight convenience, modern cleaning performance, and cordless freedom help you reclaim valuable time while keeping every space beautifully refreshed. Experience a smarter way to maintain a cleaner, happier lifestyle every single day. Number 1. Floor Cleaner M20 Wireless Vacuum. Bring a new level of comfort into your daily routine with the 5-in-1 all-round home floor cleaner M20 Wireless Vacuum Mite Remover. Busy mornings and unexpected mess no longer feel exhausting when every corner of your living space looks fresh, pure, and welcoming. This smart cleaning companion creates a peaceful atmosphere by helping remove hidden dust, unwanted particles, and stubborn dirt from floors, carpets, beds, and furniture surfaces with ease. Its suction mopping integration delivers a deeply refreshed environment that feels satisfying after every use, making your home look more elegant and cared for. The flat lay design reaches difficult areas beneath sofas, cabinets, and beds where ordinary cleaners often fail, helping maintain a spotless appearance without extra effort. Sterilization support adds a cleaner feeling throughout your surroundings, creating a healthier place for children and family members to relax comfortably. Wireless convenience allows smooth movement from room to room without tangled cords slowing down your routine. The modern design blends beautifully with contemporary lifestyles while saving valuable time during household cleaning sessions. Enjoy a calmer living experience with a powerful home cleaning solution designed to make everyday life easier, fresher, and more enjoyable. Number 2. Liectroux i7 Pro Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. Transform everyday cleaning into a smoother and more relaxing experience with the Liectroux i7 Pro Cordless Vacuum Cleaner for wet and dry cleaning. A busy household often feels difficult to manage when dust, spills, pet hair, and hidden dirt collect across different surfaces. This advanced home cleaning solution helps create a fresh atmosphere that makes every room feel brighter, calmer, and more welcoming for family and guests. Smart washing support delivers a deeply refreshed appearance on multiple floor types, helping your living space maintain a polished and hygienic condition throughout the day. Powerful 14 kPa suction performance lifts unwanted particles quickly, allowing carpets, tiles, wooden flooring, and furniture areas to look neat with less effort. Self-drying technology keeps the cleaner ready for the next task while reducing unpleasant moisture buildup inside the system. Cordless convenience provides smooth movement around bedrooms, kitchens, dining spaces, and stair areas without interruption from tangled wires. The modern design blends naturally with stylish interiors while helping save valuable time during daily routines. Enjoy a cleaner home environment that feels peaceful, comfortable, and beautifully maintained with a smart floor cleaning companion designed for modern family living and effortless care every single day. Number 3. Magic Floor Cleaning Sweeper Brooms with Microfiber Pads. Create a cleaner and more comfortable living environment with the Magic Floor Cleaning Sweeper Brooms with microfiber pads designed for effortless daily care. Dust, crumbs, hair, and small particles can quickly make beautiful rooms feel untidy and stressful after a long day. This smart cleaning solution helps restore freshness throughout your home while making regular floor care feel easier and more relaxing. The microfiber pads gently collect unwanted dirt from tiles, wooden flooring, marble surfaces, and other household areas, helping every room appear neat and welcoming. Smooth movement across the floor allows quick cleaning during busy mornings or unexpected visits from guests. Each sweep leaves a refreshed feeling that adds warmth and comfort to bedrooms, kitchens, dining spaces, and family areas. Its lightweight design supports convenient handling without creating extra strain during routine cleaning sessions. Modern households often need practical solutions that save time while maintaining a polished appearance every day. This floor cleaning sweeper helps support a peaceful atmosphere where family members can enjoy cleaner surroundings with less effort. The stylish design blends naturally into contemporary lifestyles while helping maintain organized spaces that feel calm and inviting. Enjoy a more satisfying cleaning experience that keeps your home looking bright, elegant, and beautifully cared for through every season of everyday life. Number 4. DREAME V16 Pro Cordless Vacuum Cleaner Household. Refresh your living space with the DREAME V16 Pro Cordless Vacuum Cleaner designed to bring comfort, cleanliness, and peace into modern households. Daily dust, hidden particles, pet hair, and unwanted dirt can make beautiful rooms feel dull and uncomfortable. This smart handheld cleaning solution helps create a healthier atmosphere where every corner feels bright, inviting, and carefully maintained for family living. Large suction performance supports deep cleaning across carpets, sofas, curtains, bedding, wooden flooring, and narrow spaces that often collect stubborn debris. The green light dust detection system helps reveal hidden dirt that ordinary cleaning may miss, giving your home a fresher and more polished appearance after every session. Mite removal support adds extra confidence while maintaining sleeping areas, furniture surfaces, and soft fabrics used every day by loved ones. Cordless freedom allows smooth movement from room to room without the frustration of tangled wires or heavy equipment slowing down your routine. Its stylish modern design fits naturally into contemporary interiors while helping save valuable time during busy schedules. Enjoy a cleaner environment that feels peaceful, elegant, and welcoming through a smart home appliance created to support effortless cleaning, comfortable living, and a more satisfying everyday lifestyle for the entire family. Number 5. OMESER W07 Handheld Carpet Cleaner. Keep every corner of your home looking fresh and beautifully maintained with the OMESER W07 Handheld Carpet Cleaner designed for modern cleaning needs. Daily life often leaves carpets, sofas, fabric surfaces, and car interiors covered with stains, dust, pet hair, and unexpected spills that reduce the comfort of your surroundings. This powerful spot clean machine helps restore cleanliness while creating a more welcoming atmosphere for family members and guests. Strong 15 kPa suction performance works deeply on wet fabric, carpet fibers, upholstered furniture, and vehicle seating areas to help remove stubborn dirt with ease. The portable design allows convenient movement throughout bedrooms, living spaces, stairways, and cars without making cleaning feel exhausting or complicated. Every session leaves surfaces looking refreshed, helping your environment feel calmer, brighter, and more enjoyable to spend time in. Pet owners can maintain a cleaner lifestyle while reducing unwanted mess that quickly builds up during busy routines. The corded system provides steady cleaning support whenever needed, making it easier to care for important household spaces every day. Its modern appearance blends naturally with contemporary homes while helping save valuable effort during regular maintenance. Enjoy a cleaner living experience filled with comfort, freshness, and a lasting sense of satisfaction throughout your entire home.